Okay, so Tether financial statements show a 2 billion rise in USDT loans. Tether financial statement is in the news, and let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get into this a little bit. Okay, according to a recent consolidated reserve report by Tether itself, the issuer of the largest stablecoin, so Tether, largest stablecoin, USDT, the company has reached a $2 billion increase in loan insurance from December 2021, which is last year, 2021. Now, Tether official financial statement reveals that the company hit a 6.1 billion in insecure loans as of September, representing 9% of its total assets, compared to the 4.1 billion at the end of 2001. So there's a lot of money being secured, being talked about, being moved around. Now, Wall Street Journal reporter Jonathan Weil believes the increased lending of USDT tokens by its issuer heightens the risk that the company may not have enough liquidity assets to pay in the crisis. Very interesting. Now, this is Jonathan's words. This is what he said. He said, the rise in Tether lending represent a broad risk to the crypto world. Stable coins such as Tether, USDT, as you may have known of, are anchors in the system. They are vital for trading many cryptocurrencies. They are vital for trading different cryptocurrencies on different type of exchanges. Because remember, you usually use your USDT. It's paired with that cryptocurrency. So you need to buy Tether and then you swap it off for that specific cryptocurrency. So he's right. It is an anchor in a lot of systems. So, but nonetheless, the financial statement described the lent funds as secure loans, noting that the liquid assets fully, collateralize them and are constantly monitored and measured at a cost. Furthermore, Tether latest reserve report showed a total assets of 68.06 billion and liabilities of 67.81 billion, leaving a thin capital cushion of about 250 million of just 0.4 of the assets. Interesting. And the thing about with Tether, a lot of people use this on a daily basis of trading on cryptocurrency assets. And now, just reading this report, Tether financial statement shows a 2 billion rise in USDT loans. Very, very interesting. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on the next video.